Missed the fall 2025 intake for US universities? Wait, don't hit panic mode yet. Because this video is your study abroad reboot plan. Let's go.
A dream to chase, a world to explore. Shiksha Study Abroad opens the door. From rankings to streams, we've got it all. Your future's waiting, just make the call.
The next big chance is January 2026 intake. Many top universities offer Jan intake for MS, MBA. Still open for fall 2025. Some US universities and pathway programs will still accept applications for July or August, especially for rolling admissions. Universities that are still accepting applications: University of New Haven, Wichita State, University of Bridgeport, Pace University, Arizona State, Global Launch, Into, Shorelight, Navitas Pathway Colleges. Should you wait for fall 2026? Thinking of skipping 2025 and wait till next year? Here is the breakdown. Pros: more course options, higher scholarship chances, easier to plan finances and exams. Cons: 1 year lost. Visa policies or tuition may change. Risk of higher competition in 2026. Apply for spring 2026 now and keep fall 2026 as plan B. Your action plan: shortlist Jan 2026 programs. Look for fall 2025 rolling admissions. Prep your SOPs, LORs and test scores. Lock in universities offering spring intakes. Comment US 2026 and we will DM you the exclusive scholarships and universities that are still offering admissions. Missed the fall intake doesn't mean the dream is gone. Let's rework your timeline and get you to your destination. Planning to study abroad but confused about SOPs, LORs, courses or visas? No worries. Shiksha's expert counselors offer free guidance for everything. Message us on WhatsApp now at 8130132440 and let's get you started.